Welcome to the top best. The best foldable hand truck is probably one of the most indispensable tools you never knew you needed, transforming the arduous task of moving heavy or bulky items into a surprisingly effortless endeavor, whether you're relocating boxes, hauling groceries, or transporting equipment, making it an absolute game changer for anyone seeking efficiency and convenience in their daily lives. Number 5. COSCO Shifter Multi-Position Hand Truck and Cart. This versatile tool is constructed with a durable steel frame, ensuring it can handle tough jobs. Its robust design means it's ready for years of reliable use. Converting it between positions is incredibly simple. You won't need any pins or tools, making transitions quick and hassle-free. It functions as both a two-wheel upright hand truck and a four-wheel cart, adapting to your specific needs. This flexibility makes it perfect for various lifting and moving tasks. When you're done, it conveniently folds flat. This feature allows for easy transport and compact storage, saving you valuable space. Don't let its compact size fool you, it can handle substantial loads. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, it's perfect for moving heavy items with ease. What we like. This one stands out for its incredible versatility. It quickly transforms from an upright hand truck to a four-wheel cart, adapting to your specific needs. If you are looking for a single tool that can handle various types of loads and storage situations, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Magna Cart Foldable Hand Cart 150 pounds. This versatile tool is perfect for home, office, travel, or recreation. It's ready to assist you right out of the box, making your tasks easier from day one. Built with a rugged 15-inch wide aluminum base, it offers exceptional durability. This cart can effortlessly carry loads up to 150 pounds, handling your heaviest items with ease. Its 5-inch ball-bearing rubber wheels ensure a quiet operation. They glide silently and smoothly across various surfaces, minimizing noise as you move your items. The handle extends up to 39 inches, providing extra reach for taller users. It also features a soft grip, ensuring comfortable and secure handling during use. With a space-saving design, it folds down to just 2.5 inches thick. This makes it effortlessly portable and easy to store in tight spaces, even during transportation. What we like. Experience unparalleled quietness and smooth movement with this model. Its ball-bearing rubber wheels glide silently, and it folds down incredibly thin for ultimate portability. If you value discretion and need a cart that can be easily tucked away or carried anywhere, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Magna Cart Folding Platform Cart. Need to move heavy items with ease? This versatile cart is designed to handle freight boxes, groceries, garden equipment, and more. It effortlessly supports up to 300 pounds, making your tasks much simpler. Experience comfortable hauling with its convenient telescoping aluminum handle. It extends up to 36 inches, providing an ideal height for effortless transportation. This feature ensures a comfortable grip for users of all heights. Equipped with 4 durable rubber wheels, it glides smoothly across surfaces. These wheels require no air and rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to easily navigate tight spaces and transport cargo in any direction. When you're done, simply fold it flat for space-saving storage. Its innovative design makes it easy to open and close, fitting perfectly in small spaces. The folded dimensions are just 26 by 16 by 3.5 inches. This lightweight and portable cart comes fully assembled, so you can start using it right away. It's perfect for small moving jobs and incredibly handy to keep around your home, office, or garage. What we like. Unlike traditional hand trucks, this features a spacious platform design perfect for wider or multiple items. Its 4 360-degree swivel wheels offer exceptional maneuverability in tight spaces. If you frequently move bulky boxes, crates, or groceries and need easy steering, this platform cart is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Ronlap Folding Hand Truck 500 pounds. Setting up this hand truck is incredibly easy, just push the wheels into place without any tools. It folds down in seconds for compact storage, fitting almost anywhere. Despite its strength, it's lightweight and portable, ready to go wherever you need it. Engineered with a reinforced plastic frame, this dolly safely transports even your heaviest items. It can handle furniture, appliances, or warehouse boxes, supporting up to 500 pounds with ease. Its telescoping handle adjusts with a single button, extending to 3 different heights. This design accommodates users of various heights, allowing you to push heavy loads comfortably and prevent back strain. Equipped with 6 upgraded rubber wheels, it offers smooth and quiet movement. These wheels rotate 360 degrees, making it perfect for flat surfaces like garage floors, warehouses, and sidewalks. It comes with 2 bungee cords to securely fasten your items, whether they're boxes, luggage, or irregular shapes. The textured platform also prevents anything from slipping during transport, ensuring reliable performance every time. What we like. This heavy-duty contender boasts an impressive 500-pound capacity, making it a true workhorse for the toughest jobs. Its innovative no-tool installation means you're ready to go in seconds, and the adjustable handle accommodates various user heights. If you need to transport extremely heavy items and appreciate quick, hassle-free setup, this is the one for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 1. Mounted, folding hand truck and personal dolly. This lightweight, industrial-grade trolley is designed to help you move heavy items with ease. It saves your back and makes transport simple, whether at home, the office, or while shopping. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, it can hold up to 264 pounds effortlessly. Large rubber wheels provide a smooth, quiet roll, and an included bungee cord keeps your load secure. Its telescoping handle extends up to 39.4 inches and adjusts to 3 height positions. This ensures comfortable handling for various users and tasks, making every job easier. It unfolds in just 3 simple steps: extend the handle, step on the nose plate, then load and tilt. Plus, it comes with no assembly required, ready to use right out of the box. When you're done, it folds down flat for compact storage and easy transport. Its slim profile is perfect for stowing in vehicles, closets, or under a bed, saving valuable space. For added security, a sturdy bungee cord is included to keep your items firmly fastened. This ensures boxes and packages stay in place, giving you peace of mind during transport. What we like. This model prioritizes speed and security, unfolding in just 3 simple steps to get you moving faster. It comes with an integrated bungee cord to ensure your items stay firmly in place during transport. If you appreciate a quick, straightforward setup and extra security for your loads, this reliable option is an excellent pick. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.